guys, holy freaking moly. You all need to get onto Target.com to get your home essential purchases. So Target.com is running a save $10 on a $50 home purchase or save $25 on $100 or more in home. No code is required. All you do is you just add your cart. And once it gets to $50 or $100, it automatically takes it off at checkout. Now, if you have a Target Red Card, you're going to save an additional 5%. All purchases made with a Red Card, you get free shipping. If you're not paying with a Red Card, then it's free shipping if you spend $35 or more. And you can save an additional 15% if your child is going back to school. So if you have a student that's going back to college, just sign up for a college registry and you're going to save an additional 15%. So I'm going to share with you guys some of the hot deals that I found for you guys on Target.com. And I have a blog post associated with this video. It's in the description box, and I have all the links of where you can get all of this stuff straight from your home. So you don't even have to go and bother with the huss and fuss of Target. So let's just go ahead and jump into these hot Target deals. Okay, so the first item that is on sale is the Room Essentials bath towels. So you can go ahead and get a bath towel for $2.99. That is a hot price. I know Kohl's.com and Kohl's will do towel sales over Black Friday, but honestly, $2.99 for a bath towel, this is a steal, you guys. Next, you can go ahead and get Room Essential plastic dinnerware. So you can get a plastic plate for 79 cents. You can get a plastic bowl for 79 cents. You can get plastic cups for 79 cents. So if you have a kid going back to college or just going away to college, honestly, you guys, just go ahead and hit up this sale right now. And remember, when you spend $100 or more, you're going to get $25 off. If you spend $50 or more, you're going to save $10. No code. This is just at checkout. Sign up for that additional 15% for the college registry. You want to also use your Red Card to save an additional 5%. Now you can sign up for the credit card, or you can just sign up for the debit card. So you do not have to sign up for a credit card. You can do debit and it just drafts straight from your bank account. Also the Room Essentials comforter set, the twin and the twin extra long, these guys are $14.99. So most dorm rooms, you need extra long, but there are also other sizes included. So if you don't have a twin bed and you want to get, they have sizes up to California King. So these guys are on sale for $14.99. And then you can go ahead and get the Room Essentials sheets to go along with the comforter set for $19.99 is the price for the twin XL, but they also have other sizes with Room Essentials as well that are on sale. So everything is hyperlinked. So all you need to do is click this link in my blog post or just click on the picture and it's going to take you straight to Target.com to the item that I'm referencing. So it's right here. All you got to do is, click to cart and then you are good to go. And for example, for the sheets, they have, looks like they're out of California King, but they have King, they have Queen, and let's go to the twin. The twin is $19.99. You guys, seriously, this is just a hot time to stock up on some room essentials or gift these to someone you know who may be going away to college, or maybe you want to freshen up your kids' bedrooms. Maybe you want to freshen up your own bedroom, get some sheets and towels and whatnot for your guest bedrooms, or you want to, replace your kids' cups, plastic cups, whatever you want to buy this stuff for. So you guys, this is just such a great deal. So if you want to, replace your towels at home, $2.99 for a bath towel, a full-size bath towel, this is craziness. So $2.99 for the towel, and then the plastic dinnerware, 79 cents each for the bowl, the plate, the cup. This is just awesome. And the comforter and sheet sets. So even if you're not going back to college, maybe you don't have a student, but you need to freshen your linens up in your own house, or you know someone moving into an apartment, like share this video with them, share this blog post with them, and help them save money. This is just such a hot deal that Target is running. So like I mentioned already, if you know someone going back to school, if you know someone who's just moving into an apartment, maybe you know someone who just needs to save some money on some home essentials, share this video with them, share my blog post with them, help other people save money, because this is so incredibly awesome. And I love that Target.com runs the promos that they show in their ad. So if you live somewhere that doesn't have a Target close by, you have access to their deals. If you have the internet, then you have access to their deals. So I think this is just so incredibly awesome. Free shipping with the red card, 5% savings with the red card. Target is really helping us out save money. And this is exactly why Target is my favorite store to shop at. So like I mentioned, this blog post will be in the description box of this video. Save that extra $25, go to Target.com, get your home essentials, and let's just continue to save money here. So I will talk to everyone later. Tanner's sleeping. He's sleeping on the job, guys. Baby and blogging is what I'm doing right now. So I'll talk to everyone later. Bye.